So for my fourth technology that I wanted to present was actually Kahoot.com or Kahoot.it. And I just wanted to show you guys the actual create page. The why I chose this application is because I think it's such a great review and engagement tool for students. So my intended audience would be for teachers or for anybody that wants to play Kahoot. The purpose of this is to get, like I said, get kids engaged or have like a little review game, review application that actually uses technology. So here are a couple ones that I have created. There's not a lot, but last year I did bullying with my sixth graders, and then yesterday we actually did chapter 1 for health and wellness for the health classes that I teach. So what you guys would do if you wanted to create a new Kahoot game, you would have to log into your account, create an account, whatever you needed to do, and then you would hit create new. So after that, it'll take you to a different page, and you can upgrade Kahoot and do the different templates, but I have not. I wanted to use the free version. So you would hit new Kahoot and create. So through here, you would add your questions or go to your question bank and add that. It would, let me just go ahead and start this. You can click from quiz, true or false, or the upgraded versions like the puzzle, poll, or slides. So we'll just go ahead and do true or false. You would type your question in here, which health applies to everybody. Is that true or false? And then from here, you would either click that it's true or that it would be false, which hopefully it is true for everybody. So from there, you would keep adding your questions, and then you would hit done when you're done. And then it would say, would you like to play or present? But I'm not going to go through and add all that, so I'm going to discard and exit. And then you would see your games that you have in here. If you don't want to play some of the games that you have, like yesterday, we got through all the content that I wanted to do with my students, so I let them go through Discover. And then they wanted to do the Disney game. Kahoot Disney characters. So you can actually search through the different content that you want to present to your students, let them play games through here, the Disney movies and characters, or you can search up the topics that you need and play those different types of games. So I thought that was a great tool to use in the classroom. The ISTE standards that I have for this one are for 5A and 5C. And I showed you guys how to create your own Kahoots or search through the different content that you would actually want to propose to your kids.